Hi all, I'm back with new tutorial. It is again boost up your brain. Yes, it's second tutorial of our logical category. Are you curious? I don't want to make you wait. Let's start. Are you thinking why I am having the baby pump here? Do you have? Do you have idea? Yes, it's having the relation with our today tutorial. Counting finger is our second logical tutorial. How? Counting the finger is logical tutorial. How we are going to think about fingers counting? I hope in your childhood for counting the numbers or subtracting the numbers you will do with the fingers, right? Same way, like the way the baby is doing one thing, we are going to make it as a logical program from that. Okay, let's start our current logic. One baby counting her finger in one hand, starting from thumb finger. So thumb finger is 1, next index finger is 2, middle finger is 3, ring finger 4, pinky finger 5. Then the reverse, like again the 6 is ring finger, middle finger, index finger, thumb finger. So our 10 is thumb finger. So again 11 index finger, like the way the baby is counting the numbers using the one hand. It's moving from one direction to other, I mean thumb, index, middle, ring, ping. For additional numbers it came back, like the way it's counting the number. You got it right? Let me show you from the finger itself. For example, it is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So you got it. Now you are clear, right? Okay, this is our logic. You have to create one program. If I say 6, you have to tell ring finger the particular number is calculated by which finger. That is your logic. You got it right? Okay, put it pause of this video and go and try that. You completed? Good. Oh, not it? Don't worry. This is our second logic only. Don't worry. We have to train our brain lot. Let me start. This is the one way I am doing it. There will be a multiple way can do that one. So this is my logic, what I thought of that. Maybe the same you did on different logic. Anyway, if you are getting the correct output, it's fine. The logic may vary. Also the programming development approach may vary. But thinking that and achieving the output, it's, if it is good, then it's correct. You are correct. This is one of the approach what I thought of. I am going to explain you. First one, I am segregating the two objects. One is forward flow object, another one is backward flow object. The forward flow object, in the sense, first one is thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky finger. Okay, the backward, in the sense, the reverse flow we are coming, right? 6 7. For that, pinky finger is 1, ring finger, middle finger, index finger. So for this I am having two objects. I am pointing in forward flow. If I the key is 1, the value is thumb finger. In backward flow, key is 1, value is pinky finger. Okay, this is first step I created. Okay, second, I am find outing it is a forward flow or backward flow. We are getting number, right? That number I am checking it is a forward flow or backward flow. So how we can divide by 5? The particular number I am trying to divide by 5. If the quotient is even, then I am considering as a forward flow. If it is a odd number, I am considering as a reverse flow. You are clear? Okay. The third, I am checking I am adding the quotient and remainder. For example, you are giving the number like 6. In the case quotient is 1, our remainder is 1. So that is 2. So here the 1, right, that is odd number. So it's going reverse flow. Okay. So here the step 3, I am adding the quotient and remainder. Also I am checking the sum of this quotient and remainder greater than 5. Then again moving to the same step 2 with answer. Meaning if I am moving to here, I am checking again here the divided by 5 is answer divided by 5. Okay, meaning quotient plus remainder we are getting that value, right? Maybe it is coming 6. So go to the step 2 and continue the flow. So in that case, if I will come here and 6 divided by 5 again 1. So I will come like this. Okay, if the else the quotient plus remainder value less than or equal to 5, then move to the step 4. Step 4, check the flow. If it is a forward flow, get the value of forward flow object for index. Okay, in step 3 we are getting the one sum of value, right? Quotient plus remainder value, that value, and our in step 2 we are find out the which flow. Maybe our flow is forward, then we are taking from the forward object. What is the key? If the we have to get the value from the object, we need the key, right? That key is our quotient plus remainder. It should be 1 to 5 because here we having the logic like that. You are clear? If it is else, we are get it from backward. This is one 4 step of logic. You are clear? If you are not clear, repeat the steps and read it again, maybe 1 or 2 or 3 or at least 4 times you will get a clear idea. Okay, based on these logic steps, I created the program here. Using the JavaScript itself I have done. As I told, I am having the created 2 objects. Okay, one is forward flow, another one is backward flow object. I am having flow type and temp number and flag. This is and all, it's accomplishing those logics. Okay, here I am doing the quotient. Here our number, first temp number is what the number the user given. Okay, I am getting the number in the parameter. The remainder is module, you know that, right? And sum is quotient plus remainder. Okay, I am checking this condition. If it is even, I mean odd, I am setting flow type is odd, else even. Okay, here I am checking the quotient plus remainder, that value sum greater than 5, then I am setting temp value. I mean I told in that step, right? Here you can see that where it's go to the step with answer, because it is in for loop. Already the flag is true, so I am, if it is, I am setting just this temp value equal to sum. So I am not setting the false. So in this again this loop will continue. So now the temp number is what we are getting the sum, right? This value. So again check, if it is else, it will move, break the this loop and it will move on to out. We are checking flow type equal to odd. We are get it from forward. Else we are get it from, I mean it is backward, it is forward. Here I am specifying the sum, because I already told quotient plus value, quotient plus remainder value we are assigning in sum, so that sum is our key for object, which object is defined by the flow type. You are clear? Let me run this. I am using the just I am having the node, so I am executing this thing in node itself. Okay, let me first we have to call that function, right? Let me try with the 1 1. Okay, just I am doing with 1. Our output thumb finger, 1 is correct. Let me try with 5, palm finger, correct. Let me try with 15. middle finger. Let me try with 20. You can do the counting and check that one. Okay. Yeah. You are clear? This is the what? You are getting the same kind of answer in same logic or different logic? Good. You can applaud yourself. You are growing on your logical aspect. Don't worry. We having the few more videos to achieve our things and increasing our logical aspect. Okay. Do follow this. We will keep grow with multiple logical things so that we will get clear idea. Okay friends, bye. I will meet you on next video. Thank